You got buttermilk? Hey, where's the buttermilk at?
It's in the bag. It's in the bag. Derek. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Man, you left the buttermilk in the back seat. Open the door. Hey, where's the
I
buttermilk?
don't want it. Okay. Okay. What is it? What's it called? Derek!
Ah, shit. Hello?
Shh.
Open the door.
Shh. It's not working.
Open it.
It's not working. Put it down. Sorry. It's not working.
It's your birthday, bro.
It's not my birthday. It's your birthday.
Baby, it's my mom's house.
Get up. It's not your mom's house. This is our house.
Baby.
This is our house. This is our house.
This is my mom's
This
house.
is our house. Derek.
Mama.
Shh.
Baby, it's my mom's house.
Hey, Sonia.
Mom.
Derek, is that you?
Hi, Mom.
Derek, what are you guys doing?
We just wanted to come say hi.
Derek, do you know what time it is?
I know, Mommy. I know that, but we just want to stop. I didn't know it was this late.
Derek, I have work in the morning. You guys have got to go home.
I just want to surprise you with Jack in the Box.
Hi, Sonia.
Derek, it is 2 in the morning and you guys look like a mess. You guys need to get home.
Okay, I love you. Let me use the bathroom real quick, please.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Mom, I gotta use the bathroom. I take a shit real quick. Please.
Derek, you two need to go home and get some rest.
Derek, just put her address.
Sorry, Mom. I got you some chicken fingers.
Derek, you two need to go home and get some rest.
Our house. I know, baby. Mom. All right, love you. We gotta call a lift, or can you give us a ride?
Derek, I have work in the morning.
Sonia?
You something drunk?
We got it.
Love you, Mom. Okay. I know.
Wait.
She had a whole bottle of champagne.
Derek.
Love you. Come on, let's go. Love you, Mom. All right. Oh, wait, here. You keep these tacos. I'm leaving right here.
Hey, chicken.
Sorry about the front door. Sorry. Love you.
It's okay. You guys get home safe. And call me
Let me get a
tomorrow.
buttermilk. There's no buttermilk.